નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we will learn chapter number 1, integer for standard 7. So first of all, what is the integers? Integer is the one type of the numbers. And in integer, which type of number are including in integers? So students, first of all, in integers you included 0, all positive number, all negative numbers are including in integers. One more times, in integers including 0, all positive number, all negative numbers are including in integers. So here given example 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this side to dot dot dot, this means up to infinite. So all positive number. So in this side -1, -2, -3, -4 up to infinite. So this one is negative numbers. So 0, all positive, all negative are including in integers numbers. Now see, dear students, here draw one number line. How to draw one number lines? So first of all, draw a line in between 0 to in this side, and right hand side all positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to infinite. Same for 0 to left hand side all negative number, it means -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 to infinite, right? So this one is our number line. Now here given some properties are used in this chapter, many types of. So first of all, here is integer, this one is additive integers and additive integers. So what is the integers? Integer is means the one type of number. Now what do you mean by additive integers? Additive integer is means reverse procedures. In example, here is 10 is integer. 10 to additive integer is means answer is -10. 10 to additive integer answer -10. Same for the -15, this one is the -15. -15 to additive integer is means minus to opposite +15. Same for the 74, this one is the integer. 74 to additive integer is means -74. 74 is the positive number, but -74 is the negative. It means additive integer is means opposites number, plus to minus, minus to plus. Clear students? Now next one is the commutative properties. Here use for the properties the many types. So this one is the general formula, a plus b is equal to b plus a. So what is the a, what is the b? A and b is the one type of number, positive number, negative numbers are given. So this one is the general formula, a plus b and b plus a, it means the commutative property. So it means, suppose given any numbers, a is equal to suppose 2 and b is equal to 3. So put in this equations, yani ki both the sides, formula, general formula, it means 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 means 5, and same for the b is means 3 plus 2, the 3 plus 2 also for the 5, it means both the side answer is same. So it's called a commutative property. It means a plus b is equal to b plus a. It means a plus b करो आप लोग और b plus a करो, दोनों का आंसर सेम आना चाहिए, तभी हम लोग उसे commutative properties कह सकते. Suppose मान लो here in this side a plus b answer is equal to 5 and b plus a answer is equal to -5. So this one is commutative property? No, this one is not a commutative property. Why? Because in this side answer is 5 and in this side answer is -5. So this one is not a commutative properties are used in numbers. So both the sides answer are same. Same for the next associative properties. So associative properties, this one is the formula in bracket a plus b bracket over plus c is equal to, in this side, a plus bracket b plus c bracket over. So what is in this property? Here dear students, here group a plus b, here in bracket a plus b, but in this side b plus c, it means group are changed, yani ki place are changed, but answer is same. Here is group a plus b group, but in this side b plus c group, it means group are changed. Here a plus b, here b plus a, which means group change, but answer is same. It's called the associative property. One example is here, suppose in any a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 3. Now put here, so a 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 it means 3, 3 plus 3 it means 6. In this side answer is 6. Okay. Now apply to is this side. A is equal to 1 plus in bracket B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3. It means 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is means 5. 1 plus 5 means 6. So dear students, here both the answer is same. So it means associative property. Here is the plus sign, it means associative property for addition. Suppose minus sign, so associative property for subtraction. Multiplication sign, so associative property for multiplication, and division sign, so associative property for divisions. Here the different sign is given in your questions. Suppose plus sign, it means associative property for addition. Subtraction sign, so associative property for subtraction. Multiplication sign, so associative property for multiplication, and division sign for the associative property of division. Here same for the commutative property. Addition is means commutative property for addition, subtraction to commutative property for subtraction, multiplication हो तो commutative property for multiplication, division हो तो commutative property for division. Right? Here is the example is लेने के लिए मैंने यहाँ पे plus का use किया है. Next one is the additive identity. Additive identity. Additive means additions. Identity. Additive identity is 0. If any blanks is given, so what is the additive identity? So additive identity is 0. Why? Because अब 0 एडिशन किसी भी नंबर के साथ करो आपको वही आंसर मिलेगा. सपोज हियर गिवन वन एग्जांपल a plus 0 is equal to a. Suppose 3 plus 0 answer is equal to 3. 5 plus 0 answer is equal to 5. Minus 7 plus 0 answer is equal to minus 7. So dear student, here any number to addition is 0, answer is same number. So 0 is the additive identity. Okay. Now to the next multiplicative identity. 0 is the additive identity. So what is the multiplicative identity? So dear student, 1 is the multiplicative identity. Why? Because if any numbers to multiply by 1, answer is same. Suppose 3 multiplied by 1, answer is 3. Minus 5 multiplied by 1, answer is minus 5. 4 multiplied by 1, answer is 4. Minus 72 multiplied by 1, answer is minus 72. So dear student, here any number, it means 3 multiplied by 1, answer is same, yani ki minus 3. So 1 is the multiplicative identity and 0 is the additive identity. Now to the last property is the distributive property. So what is the distributive property? Distribute is means बेचना, देना, right? So here some formula, it means generals, a multiplied by in bracket b plus c bracket over is equal to a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c. So dear student, here multiplication sign in bracket b plus c. So a distribute to b, it means a multiplied by b here, right? And a multiplied by c, here is a multiplied by c. Here positive sign, so put here positive sign. Here negative sign, put here negative sign. Okay students, clear? So it's called a distributive. It means a distribute to b and c both. A is distribute to b and c both. A distribute to b, it means a multiplied by b. A distribute to c, it means a multiplied by c. Here is the plus sign, so here is plus. If you here subtraction sign, so here put the subtraction sign. It's called a distributive property. Now some examples of distributive property. Suppose a is equal to 5, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 2. Now put here, if both the side answer is same or not. Okay. Now a is equal to 5 multiplied by b, it means 3 plus 2. 5 multiplied by 3 plus 2 is means 5. 5 multiplied by 5 is means 25. Same for in this side. A is means 5, b is means 3, it means 5 multiplied by 3 plus a is means 5 multiplied by c is means 2. Now 5 3s are 15 plus 5 2s are 10. 15 plus 10 is means 25. So dear students, both the sides answer is same. Okay, clear? Distributive property, multiplicative identity, what is the integers, commutative property, associative and additive identities. Okay, now to the next exercise 1.1. Now chapter number 1, exercise 1.1, the first questions. What is the first questions? Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at the different place on a particular day. Here given our number lines and different types place, yani ki cities, Lahaul Spiti, Srinagar, Simla, Ooty and Bangalore. So in this number lines given a temperature degree Celsius. So first of all see our number line. Here is to -10, -5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. It means the two numbers between gap is total 4 digit. Why? Because here is 0. It means one line it means 1, second line it means 2, third line it means 3 and fourth line it means 4. It means each line's value is equal to 1. Okay. Now our first question, observe number line and write the temperature of the place. Here is the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 place. Write down the 5 place the temperature. So first of all start here. It means Lahaul Spiti. So what is the temperature of the Lahaul Spiti? See students, in this side -5. One is means -6, -7 and this one is -8. So here is the temperature is -8 degree Celsius. Same for the second is means Srinagar. So what is the temperature of Srinagar? Here is this 0. In this side 1 and 2. This one is Srinagar. But in this side 0 to this side is means all negative number student. So Srinagar temperature is -2 degree Celsius. Understand? Then after next one place is means Simla. So what is the temperature of Simla? So this one is given how many? 5. It means 5 degree Celsius. Then after Ooty. What is the temperature of Ooty? So in this side 10, 11, 12, 13 and this one is 14. It means 14 degree Celsius. 0 to in this side all positive number students. So this one is positive 14 degree Celsius. And then after the last one is city is Bangalore. So what is the temperature of Bangalore? Here is 20, 21 and 22. It means 22 degree Celsius. So dear students, this one is the different cities to different temperature. This means Lahaul Spiti's temperature -8 degree Celsius, Srinagar temperature -2 degree Celsius, Simla temperature 5 degree Celsius, Ooty temperature 14 degree Celsius and Bangalore temperature is 22 degree Celsius. Then after the second one is find the difference between hottest and coldest place. So first of all here is the different types of the cities is given. So find the hottest and coldest. So first of all hot. So hot is means temperature is high. Temperature is high. High temperature is means hot. Right? So first of all what is the high temperature? So high temperature is means here. So Bangalore is the hottest place. Why? Because here is the highest temperature is means 22 degree Celsius. So hottest place Bangalore is equal to 22 degree Celsius. And then after the coldest place is means minimum low degree temperature. Low degree temperature is means 14, no, 5, no, -2 and -8. So dear student, here -2 and -1 they don't write to -2 degree Celsius. This one is not a coldest post. Why? Because in negative integer small number is a big. It means -2 and -8. So big number is -2, not for the -8. So -2 is a big number and -8 is a small number. So -8 degrees Celsius is the coldest place. So coldest place is means Lahaul Spiti is equal to -8 degree Celsius. Right? This one is hottest. यानी कि hottest is means high temperature -22 degree Celsius and coldest is means low. Low is means here see -8 degree Celsius. This one is low, सबसे कम. So -8 degree Celsius. Now here find the difference. Difference means subtraction. So different find करने के लिए difference is equal to 22 degree Celsius. Difference is means minus and second one is -8 degree Celsius. So dear student, here is minus and here is minus. So minus and minus it means plus. So 22 and 8 it means 13 degree Celsius. This one is the difference of hottest and coldest place. Understand? Next, third one, find the temperature. This one is the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar. So students, Lahaul Spiti's temperature, we all are know Lahaul Spiti temperature -8 degrees Celsius, and Srinagar temperature is here. What is the Srinagar temperature? -2 degrees Celsius. So difference find करना हो तो difference is equal to -8 minus -2, right? Here is minus and minus plus. This is -8 plus 2. Remove this bracket, then minus and minus, minus and minus. This means plus. Now, dear student, this one is negative number. This one is positive number. So negative number, positive number. This means subtraction. So 8 minus 2. This means our answer is 6. But put the last answer is big number. So big number is 8 and sign is negative. So our answer is -6 degree Celsius. This one is the difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar temperature. Understand? Then after the next question, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature of Simla? First of all, here given Srinagar and Simla together. Together this means addition. So Srinagar temperature, what is the Srinagar temperature, students? -2 degrees Celsius. So -2 degrees Celsius. Together this means plus. Then after the Simla and temperature is means 5 degrees Celsius. This one is negative, this one is positive. Negative, positive. It means subtraction. 5 minus 2 it means 3 degrees Celsius. This one is 5 big number positive. This one is together temperature is 3 degrees Celsius. Now again is less than the temperature of Srinagar. This one is the less than the temperature of Srinagar. Now students, the Srinagar temperature, Simla, what is the Simla temperature? 5 degrees Celsius, and this one is together temperature is 3 degrees Celsius. So 3 degrees Celsius less than 5 degrees Celsius. 3 degrees Celsius means these two together, and 5 degrees Celsius means this one is Simla temperature. So this one is less than sign. So yes, Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature of Simla. The answer is yes. See here, this one is the together temperature of Srinagar and Simla, and this one is only for Simla temperature, and here is between the less than sign. So this one is the less than. Okay, students, clear? What is the first questions? Now to the next, yani second questions. In second question, in a quiz, positive mark are given for correct answer and the negative mark are given for incorrect answer. If Jack's score in 5 successive round was 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was the total score? So dear students, here one quiz. If you right answer, then positive mark. If you wrong answer, then means negative mark. So 25, it means this one is correct answer score. This one is incorrect answer score. This one is incorrect answer score. This one is correct answer score. And this one is correct answer score. Now we will find the what is the total score after the 5 successive round. So students, total score is equal to, first of all, first round it means 25. Total it means addition. Next, -5, add, -10, plus 15 and plus 10. So this one is the score of 5 successive round. In between addition side. Why? Because we will find the total score. Okay. Now first of all, our first step, remove the bracket. So the 25 plus or minus, it means -5, plus or minus, it means -10, it means plus 15 and plus 10. So students, this one is -10, this one is +10. The -10, +10 are cut. Right? Now our next one is, this one is positive number, this one is also for the positive number. This two is the positive number. Positive number, this means addition. So 25 and 15, it means 40 minus 5. 25 and 15, it means addition is 40, and this one is -5 is as it is. Okay? Now 40 minus 5, it means 35. So total score Jack's is 35. Clear, students? Next, third question. At Srinagar temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? First of all, here two questions, or we will find our first question. See here one word here used students, dropped. So what do you mean by dropped? The drop is means गिरना, यानी कि ups to high होना, गिरना. It means first of all Monday temperature, it means Monday. What is the temperature of Monday? It means minus 5 degrees Celsius. And then after the temperature of Tuesday, this one is girna. How many? 2 degrees Celsius. But this one is minus. Drop is means come is means minus. It means minus 2 degrees Celsius. So what is the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? So Tuesday temperature, this one is the final on that day. Tuesday temperature minus 5 degrees Celsius and minus 2 degrees Celsius. So total is 7 degrees Celsius but minus. Why? Because this one is negative and negative. Negative, positive. 5 and 2 it means 7 and big number sign is means 7 degrees Celsius. So this one is Tuesday temperature of minus 7 degree Celsius. But one more question in this question. On Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on that day? It means Wednesday is the temperature high. Why? Here using one word rose. Rose is means nothing but high, यानी कि plus होना. तो क्या हो रहा है? टेम्परेचर हाई हो रहा है, यानी कि एड हो रहा है. हाउ मेनी? 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस. So Tuesday temperature is minus 7 degrees Celsius. So what is the temperature on Wednesday? Wednesday temperature is equal to, in the Tuesday temperature, minus 7 degrees Celsius. Okay, this one is Tuesday temperature. And rose, it means high, it means plus 4 degrees Celsius. So this one is negative, this one is positive. The negative and positive, negative. So 7 minus 4, it means 3 degree Celsius. But big number sign is means minus 3. So Wednesday temperature is minus 3 degree Celsius. Okay students, now clear what is this temperature of Tuesday, what is the temperature of Wednesday. Okay.
Thank you for joining us.